Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Go programming language 1.20 on Windows 11 operating system. So here you can see that I already downloaded Go 1.20 as a zip file from Go website. So this is the zip archive we are going to extract. So I'm going to extract the zip archive to one location. So let me extract to C directory. So extraction completed. So this is the extracted directory. So already Go 1.19 is installed. So parallelly we are installing Go 1.20. So this is the directory structure of Go 1.20. This is a bin directory. So you can navigate the directory. So now what I am going to do, I am going to add this Go 1.20 to the Windows path, okay, so that all the executables will be available in the command line. So go to advanced system, environment variable, so path, edit the path. So here already Go 1.19 installed. I am editing the path to Go 1.20. Okay. So now Go executables are added to the Windows path variable. Okay, now so these are the Go examples in my computer. So I am going to run one of this example to show you how to run Go. Okay, let me open the command prompt. Okay, so first I am checking Go version. Yes, so Go installation is successful. Now let me run one sample program. So this Adam number.go will check for the number is Adam or not. So let me show the program. Okay, this is a program to check whether number is Adam number or not. So I can able to run the Go program in my Windows 11 operating system. So Go 1.20 installation from zip file is successful on Windows 11 operating system.